This model kit review is of the F-22 Raptor. It's a 1/48 scale model by Italeri, and I'll give you some pictures here of the finished model. And there's the length. Let's have a look inside. It's a fairly large model. It looks like these pieces have already been added, as have these parts for the exhausts. Here's our nose, the front part of the fuselage. All of these are recessed panel lines. Looks like we have our wheel wells in place already, as well as our exhausts. Yeah, these have all been added. There's a fair amount of detail here. Here we have the tails, and these have been glued together already. Here's our cockpit, which really doesn't have a lot of detail. It's got some. Looking here, we have this must be part of the bomb bay. Fair amount of detail on the rest of these little pieces. Fairly well molded as well. I don't see any mold lines or flashing. There's maybe something there. And additional parts there. Little mold lines showing up here or there. Here's the back of our turbine. And here's the nose wheel well. Top of the, or the bottom of the canopy. We have some weapons here. And the pylons or rails. Here we have missiles. Looks like all these pieces have been taken off already. Here's our canopy. And we have our stabilizers. And these are our flaps. We have some wheels. And some other parts here. This looks like part of our ejection seat with some detail on it. Here is our instrument panel. Get this thing to come up here. With no detail on it at all. So we must have some decals there for it. It's probably the back of our ejection seat. Pylons, or the landing gear. Okay, here are the decals. And there's a fair amount of detail here. Here's our instrument panel. It's got a lot of dirt on it. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions. So the first thing that we see over here will be our parts listing. And the colors needed. We start off with the cockpit and ejection seat that goes inside. And then we have the exhaust that's already been done, as well as some of the air intakes, the ducts. It looks like we have some different options to do here, some to choose. And the fuselage is then put together, along with the wings and the flaps. And we can also have the bomb bay open or closed. As well as the missile bay on the side. Weapons can go on there. landing gear, and weapons gone. And then on the other side, the ailerons go on, and all the additional pieces here or there, including the tail, canopy, and ladder. And over here we have our painting and decal guide. And here's the other option. So all in all, looks like a fairly detailed model, and it's a good Italeri model.